Hi, my name is Jesse, and I am building the music box for my team.
Hi, I'm Jack, and I can engineer. I'm responsible for the wind instrument.
My name is Andre Gonzalez, and I am a software engineering major at ASU, and I'm a member of Team JAJAJA.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Zucchelli. I'm a computer science major, and I picked the diddly bow for my instrument.
Our problem definition: to provide a creative and unique collection of instruments to meet the needs of Maroon and Gold 4's upcoming tour. This instrument traveling kit will play all parts of a song taken from the band's song list. This collection of instruments must fit in a 2 square foot box, cost under $15, and should be creative and aesthetically pleasing to look at.
For requirements and constraints, we came up with quite a little bit of a list. The list contains that our design shall contain instruments. The design shall fit all instruments within a 2 by 2 by 2 foot box. The design shall consist of 4 instruments. All instruments within the design shall be able to play all 5 voices in our chosen song. The song to be played shall be Ode to Joy, the Alma Mater, or the Fight Song. The instruments shall cost $15 or less per instrument. The instruments shall not be part of a pre-made or instrument making kit. The instruments shall play the correct frequencies for each note. The final song should be accessible online so that others can view and listen to it. The design shall contain at least 1 wind, 1 bar percussion, and at least 1 string instrument. The design shall not have any more than 10 feet of pipe and no more than 6 feet of string in the set of 4 instruments.
Here we have my team's design criteria. It is aesthetically pleasing, how does it sound, individually or when they are used together. Is each one creative, or is it easy to edit in Audacity? These are the things we aim to please. Here in our AHP table, you can see we ranked aesthetically sounding as a band the highest, followed closely by creativity. Then each instrument individually sounding, ending with the aesthetic looks of our instruments and their ease of edit in Audacity. This pointed us to have a goal of creating beautiful music with a creative touch.
Our proposed design. In our design, we have 4 instruments. The instruments are listed as a modified pan flute, played by Jack, a clay xylophone, played by Andre, a music box, played by Jesse, and a diddly bow, played by myself.
The instrument that I am designing is a xylophone made of polymer clay.
I am building the music box for my team. It consists of 8 pieces of conduit, all different materials of metal and lengths, with a wire spool for the drum and another type of conduit bent in the shape of a handle.
I'm responsible for the wind instrument, playing 2 voices with 15 notes in the range of A3 to F5. And this is how I came up with my design for the Holy Pan Flute, a pan flute with holes. My scientific research began binge-watching YouTube videos of crazy homemade musical instruments. My in-depth analysis revealed that some wind instruments, like the Navajo flute, have 1 pipe and many holes, and others, like the pan flute, have many pipes with no holes. Next came the crash and burn stage. I have to play 15 notes. A pan flute with that many notes requires 12 feet of pipe. I only have 10 feet. Crash and burn. A Navajo flute with that many notes requires 14 holes. I only have 10 fingers. Crash and burn again. In this ideation stage, also known as sleeping, I came out with a Holy Pan Flute. It has many pipes, each with several holes.
The body of the diddly bow is made of laminate flooring, using a bass guitar string and a nut and a bolt for the bridge of the guitar. Here you see the final values for the length of each string to produce the required note when the string has 80 newtons of tension applied to it.
The unique aspect of my instrument is I wanted it to reflect my work, so I used only the material pertaining to my job, hence all the conduit like an electrical.
I imagine bundling pan-style 5 Navajo flutes, each with 1, 2, or 3 holes. This solution takes less than 5 feet of pipe, is easy to make, costs less than $15, fits in the box, and hopefully is easy to play. JAJAJA!
The unique features of the clay xylophone is that it can sit atop the storage box to amplify and increase its sound. It's also made of clay, which can come in many colors. The instrument can be broken down for storage, and the materials it is made of is very cheap.
The unique part of this Deliverable design is that you can break down into a compact 9.25 by 7.5 by 2.5 inch box for storage. The cost of Deliverable fell way under budget, using only 60% of the available funds. The most expensive part of the design was the laminate floor for the body.
The total cost of the xylophone is $12.22, which is 81% of the $15 budget.
The full design's total cost came to $42.27, which utilizes 71% of the proposed budget.
Our justification of design.
The use of our AHP table allowed us to come up with the design matrix that we believed helped us pick the best combination of instruments.
We chose the ASU Fight Song. We had to design and build 4 instruments, including 1 wind instrument, 1 string instrument, and 1 bar percussion instrument, each costing no more than $15 and could fit into a 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot box and use no more than 10 feet of pipe and 6 feet of wire. Did we do it? Stay tuned. Fight, fight, fight.